I've been spending most Saturdays working on the forest. This week was a productive one. We were able to get work done on the water well as pouring roughly a 4-meter concrete slab. I wanted to document and share the full process of the build. There are many reasons for why I am building these walkways. Firstly, they act as a walkway through the forest. They also act like retaining walls, helping keep rainwater in the soil and not allow it to escape easily. Over time, as the trees grow and as the branches thicken, it will get more and more difficult to walk in the forest. Having these pathways built into the forest helps keep the walkway